In this video, I will show you how to create your own AI agent using this incredible platform. Click the link in the description below to sign in, and let's get started. Once you're logged in, you'll find a lineup of pre-built agents. These include Appla, the prospect agent; Lee, the enrichment agent; Sony, the intercom support agent; Lima, the recycle marketer, and many more. Each one is tailored for specific tasks, and they all come highly recommended. To create your custom agent from scratch, click on Template, and then go to Agents. Click on the New Agent button and give your agent a name. For this example, I'm creating an agent to help me write scripts for YouTube. I'll call it YouTube Script Writer, but you can name it whatever you want. I'll nickname mine Bala. Next, add a description. Describe your agent's purpose. To save time, I'll use ChatGPT to generate a description for me. Now, let's create triggers for the agent. Triggers are actions or inputs that prompt the AI to perform its tasks. You can integrate triggers from platforms like Gmail, Outlook, HubSpot, Salesforce, and even WhatsApp for Business. For my agent, I'll connect it to Gmail. I can set it up so that any emails sent to the agent triggers it to respond. However, I can customize it to ensure it only replies to specific emails, not all of them. If you're on the premium plan, you can even access additional features like team triggers and custom integrations through tools like Zapier or APIs. Once I confirm the setup, my agent Borla, the YouTube script writer, is ready to go. From here, I can assign tasks to it. For example, I'll ask Borla to research unusual events that occurred worldwide between 2000 and 2024 and create scripts for them. And these are the scripts it generated. While these scripts are useful, they're a bit short. So I'll ask Borla to improve the quality by adding more details and increasing the number of events to 50. It processes my request in the background, and before I know it, I have a list of engaging script ideas, including the Great Australian Fire, the rise of TikTok, the invention of the selfie stick, the Great Resignation, the rise of cryptocurrency, the rise of remote work, and so on. A few things to keep in mind. This platform uses a credit-based system. For example, all the work I've done with Borla so far has cost me about 4.2 credits. Each agent starts with 100 credits, but once you run out, you'll need to purchase more. Also, if you're using the free version, keep in mind that your work might not be saved unless you upgrade to premium. If you're ready to build your AI agent, click the link in the description to sign up. In my next video, I'll show you how to monetize this tool to create a brand new income stream. Like and subscribe for more AI content.